Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Ocean Beach Hotel. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are parking, free Wi-Fi, beachfront, non-smoking rooms, pet-friendly and a parking on site. Ocean Beach Hotel is located on the beachfront in Miami Beach, a 3-minute walk from Miami Beach and 900 feet from Lummus Park Beach. This 3-star hotel offers a 24-hour front desk and an ATM. Free Wi-Fi is available and private parking can be arranged at an extra charge. All rooms are equipped with air conditioning and a flat-screen TV, and some units at the hotel have a safety deposit box. All guest rooms feature a private bathroom, a hairdryer and bed linen. Ocean Beach Hotel has a terrace. Popular points of interest near the accommodation include South Pointe Park Beach, New World Center and Lick Fine Art Miami. The nearest airport is Miami Seaplane Base Airport, 3.1 miles from Ocean Beach Hotel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.